Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to reset your Alexa Echo Dot on all generations with a simple step-by-step methods.
Method 1. Reset using buttons. Works for most Echo Dots. Step 1. Plug in your Echo Dot and wait until the light turns on. Step 2. Press and hold Action button for 20 to 25 seconds. Step 3. Release when the light turns orange. Step 4. Echo Dot restarts and enters Setup Mode. Method 2. Reset Echo Dot. Third, fourth, and fifth gen. Step 1. Press and hold Action plus volume down. Together. Step 2. Hold for 20 seconds. Step 3. Release when the light turns orange. Method 3. Reset Echo Dot. Second generation. Step 1. Press and hold microphone off plus volume down. Step 2. Hold for 20 seconds. Step 3. Release when the light turns orange.